السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهر على الدين كله أرسله بشيرا ونذيرا وداعيا إلى الله وسراجا منيرا. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد رسول الله. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. Dear jurists, dear protocol, and my Muslim brothers, before I'm going to deliver my speech, I hope all praise is due to Allah who has created the heaven and the earth. Bestow His power and guidance, His angel and prophet. Made us as a Muslim, and not as a perfect is over and Christ.
Ai cũng mà em có khờ.
Salawat and salam may be upon the most honorable messenger who introduced Islamic religion, the line is from darkness unto light. Oh God, shower blessing and salutation on our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Honorable Abuya Ilam Bukala, Walid and Abu bin Shadbara. Allahumma kirlahum. Honorable jurists, honorable protocol, and honorable beloved sisters of Darussalam boarding school. Essential man who has scheduled provided time for me to speak on this pulpit in this school. Opportunity and the title Islam. And the title Islam and Unity of God.
Con gà lại càng hết ok đi ngờ đâu được vừa.
The religion of Allah, Islam stands a foundation of peace. The word Islam, which means peace, has been mentioned in the Quran about 114 times in 48 chapters. Islam is the last religion of Allah. Its flowers are Muslim. Islam is a Muslim religion between men and Allah and between men and men. The men who are sent by Allah to go be stations and order is called perfect messengers. Allah has sent messengers to every community. Some of them are mentioned and some are mentioned in the Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ورسول قد قصصناه عليك من قبل ورسولا لم نقصصهم عليك. And messenger we have mentioned unto thee before, and messenger we have not mentioned unto thee. Dear Muslim brothers of mine, Islam believes that by accepting this unity of God, Allah, this harmony between man and other creation, can effectively be eradicated from the world. In a Muslim home, a son, as a child is born, the remember of Allah shall stir him along his life. Unlike the other religions, Islam is easy and simple, comprehensible, and acceptable to humanity. Dear Muslim brothers, Islam is rational religion. Islam is ideology. Islam is system of life. Islam is force of life. Islam is dynamic culture. Islam is a universal way of life. My brothers, Islam is our trust. Islam is our trust. And Islam is our trust. Scream to Islam, Allahu Akbar.
Bateri 5.
Dear Muslim brothers,
Lebih tu.
Islam believes that by accepting this unity of God, Allah there is more between men and other creation can effectively be eradicated from the world. Dear Muslim, Islam is ferocious.
Kau gale.
My brothers,
Kau gale.
in Islam, Allah has created different group of people. They may accept the unity of God. If our people will play, if our people will call, if our people will famine, if the 24-hour day where all day are all night, one our life, one life. I want to take the point. The first, Islam is easy and simple and acceptable to humanity. Second, in Islam, Allah has created different group of people. Okay, that's my